In this video tutorial, we will see how to create connection between Django and Microsoft SQL Server. Let's see all the process step by step. In my Windows 10 machine, I have already installed MySQL Server 2019 version. My Python version is 3.9.2 and I will be installing Django 3.0. Let's launch python. Create a new project, testdb. While creating this project, I required to create a virtual environment with it. So keep this radio button selected. Click on create button. It is going to take time. So let's create a DB in MySQL. Type create database and give database name. Run this query. We can see command completed successfully. Refresh this DB. We can see Django MSSQL DB is created. Let's move back to python. Close this main.py file, we don't require that file. Open the terminal. Our virtual environment setup is ready. Here, I am not going to install latest version of Django 3.1 because while running pymanage.py migrate command the very first time, it was not migrating all the inbuilt Django models to DB because of compatibility issue. So I will be working with Django 3.0 version. Run pip install Django 3.0 command. Type pip list. We can see here our Django is successfully installed with 3.0 version. So let's create project Django admin. Start project. Test DB. Our project is created successfully. Run pymanage.py, which is available inside testdb folder. Type cd testdb. Run pymanage.py. Run server. Click on the link. Our server is up and running. Let's come back to python. Now we require to install other package to create connection between Django and MS SQL Server. So let's check the official document of the Django. In this document, the databases are given: Postgre, MariaDB, MS SQL, Oracle, SQLite. But we require to install the modules for Microsoft SQL Server. Click on it. This is the required package. Copy this, come back to PyCharm, stop the server, paste the package, pip install django-mssql-backend, hit enter. It is going to install the package. It has successfully installed the package. Let's come back to this package and check the prerequisites. Pip install django-mssql-backend. Okay. The engine name is given SQL_server.pyodbc. Engine name, host, port, user, password, auto commit, and we require to check the driver support in our system. We will do that. Okay, we require this code. Copy this code. Come back to PyCharm. Open settings.py file and search for the database. Comment this in place of that. Paste the copied database here. Now here engine name will remain as it is. Name, here name is nothing but the DB name which we created. Copy this DB name and paste here. Username for MyDB is SA. Type password. Host name of my server is desktop-u31hlsa/SQL Express. Copy that and paste the same. Port number is not given, and option, the driver. We need to check the installed driver for this MS SQL server in the system. Run pymanage.py shell import OS and sys. Import one more library, pyodbc. Now check for the drivers. Driver in pyodbc.drivers. Print the driver. Hit enter. So these all are the drivers installed in my system. For Oracle in ANSI, then for MySQL, and this is the driver which is installed for me for MS SQL Server. So copy this driver and place in place of this driver name and exit from this shell. Exit. Okay, run py manage.py file and run the server. We are not getting any error here. It has successfully established the connection. Now we need to migrate the inbuilt modules of Django. So terminate the server and run pymanage.py migrate command. It has successfully migrated all the models in the DB. Let's come back to DB and refresh this DB. Open this DB, check the tables. Okay, it has successfully migrated all the tables. So our Django MySQL Server connection is successfully established. One more thing I want to say here. We need to install MySQL driver in our system if it is giving an issue. One thing I want to share here, that we need to check the driver version and SQL Server version. My SQL Server version is 2019 and the driver version is 17. Plus one more thing, we need to check the operating system version and the driver version to avoid all the compatibility issues. The versions should match. Come back to PyCharm and run py manage.py run server. Our server is running successfully without any error.